After 40, attractiveness is not about looking young. It's about habits, energy, confidence, and how well you take care of yourself. But most people unknowingly do things that make them look older, tired, and less attractive. Today, I'll tell you 5 things you must stop doing after 40 if you want to stay attractive, confident, and glowing. Number 1, stop ignoring your posture. Nothing makes you look older faster than bad posture. Slouched shoulders, bent back, stiff neck. They instantly reduce your attractiveness. Good posture makes you look taller, slimmer, more confident, more youthful. Just 3 minutes of stretching daily can transform your posture and your appearance. Number 2, stop wearing stress on your face. After 40, stress shows on your face immediately. Tired eyes, tight jaw, dull skin, wrinkles from overthinking. You don't just feel stressed, you look stressed. Take 2 minutes daily to relax your face. Deep breathing, jaw relaxation, light massage around the eyes. Your face becomes softer, fresher, and more attractive. Number 3, stop neglecting hydration. Dry skin, dull eyes, tired expression all come from dehydration. After 40, your skin needs more water to stay smooth and glowing. Hydration is the easiest and cheapest beauty secret. Sip water throughout the day, not all at once. Number 4, stop dressing like you don't care. After 40, many people stop caring about how they dress. Old clothes, dull colors, no grooming, it reduces attractiveness. You don't need expensive clothes, just clean, fitted outfits, good color coordination, simple grooming, neat appearance. Presentation is power. Number 5, stop letting your energy drop. Your real attractiveness after 40 comes from your energy. If you're exhausted, overworked, or constantly on your phone, your attractiveness fades. Boost your energy with 10-15 minutes, walking, good sleep, clean, eating less phone time, smiling more often. Your energy is your real glow. Attractiveness after 40 isn't about age. It's about daily habits. So stop doing these 5 things. Bad posture, wearing stress, ignoring hydration, dressing without care, letting energy drop. Fix these and you'll look and feel more attractive, confident, and youthful than ever. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more health and lifestyle tips after 40.